You're about to be blessed beyond what you can even comprehend. And so you need to understand that when your blessing comes, you better not start looking at the blessing and say, look what I made, look what I did, look how I turned this around. You better lift your hands and say, look at what the Lord has done. Look at how God blessed me. Look at how God paid off my house. Look at how God paid off my vehicle. Look at how God turned everything around, because it is a moment of restoration. Somebody hit somebody else and tell them restoration is coming. Restoration is coming. I want you to keep saying that until you get that down in your spirit. Restoration is coming.